Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of relying on expensive supplements like collagen boosters, protein powders, and multivitamins, then today's video is perfect for you. I'll be sharing 3 simple health drinks that you can make right in your kitchen using natural, whole ingredients. Let's dive into these healthy alternatives. 1. Collagen booster. Forget expensive collagen supplements. You can easily make your own collagen-boosting drink with natural ingredients. The star of this drink is amla, Indian gooseberry, which is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that naturally stimulate collagen production. Add beetroot for its anti-inflammatory properties and carrots for their rich supply of collagen-boosting nutrients. Together, these ingredients can support skin elasticity and joint health in a tasty, refreshing drink. 2. Natural multivitamin drink. Next up, let's replace your multivitamin pills with a nutrient-rich smoothie. You can make this using simple ingredients like spinach, banana, and apple. These are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like potassium and iron. This homemade multivitamin drink not only delivers a variety of nutrients but also ensures that you're consuming real food instead of questionable ingredients found in many supplement tablets. 3. Protein powder alternative. Finally, we have a natural protein drink that can easily replace commercial protein powders. You can make this using chana dal, mung dal, and rice, which are high in plant-based protein and can be prepared right at home. This drink is ideal for those who want to avoid processed protein powders and prefer a whole food approach to increasing their protein intake. It's easy, effective, and delicious. For an even richer nutrient boost, try making a nut and seed milkshake with soaked almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and dates blended with a ripe banana. This drink can act as a powerful natural multivitamin, delivering energy and nutrients without any artificial additives. There you have it, 3 simple, nutritious drinks that can replace collagen supplements, protein powders, and multivitamins. The best part? They're made with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Ditch the supplements and give these natural alternatives a try. Let me know how they work for you in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.